we get in this. Okay, these are clippers, and this is a rope. Yes, and these are some handcuffs, like a power ones, and there are band, I think, wristband, right? This is wristband, and some gloves. So that's it for this one. And this is some rods for those crunches wale curls or something. Yeah, we get 2 ropes in this, and there is a rod for, you can see like this, and I think beneath that is the weights, right? So I think these are 3 kgs, 2, and this is 2 kgs. Oh no, so on top are 2 kgs, 1, 2, like this. So you get total 8, and beneath that is 3 kg, 4. So 4 into 2, 8. So total we get 16 plates for workout. Oh, I think, and this rods I was saying, it's to put in your dumbbell. You put in your dumbbell and then have a weight one like this. So that's the home workout kit I got. So